Was this Pablo?
Yeah. Okay. You can start your table tennis.
What?
Alright. Love you, Jaden.
Okay, I'm going to play. Look at this. I'm working really hard. Look at all the scores. Come on and look at.
Wow, you're 5 points and your opponent's 2 points. You're a good table tennis player. Yay! You win? Wow! Okay, go over there. And go over there. Go over there. So you'll see you win. Jaden has 6 points and his opponent has only 2 points. He's a good tennis player. There you go.
And my level?
What's your level?
450.
Wow, you're almost, you're halfway to be a pro player, right?
Just need a few more wins.
I love you.
Goodbye.
Kiss nga ka, mami.